Hello my dear friends, welcome to Recyclebintech channel. Today we are going to see how to replace the toner for this printer, and let me show you the printer model. That's ML-1610. It's a mono laser printer. So here there is an option for cancel toner level, and online if any error it indicates with a red color over here, and if the toner level is low it will show the red color over this LED. Now let us see how we can replace this toner for this printer. For most of the printer, everyone may be opening this door like upside to insert the toner. For this model it's entirely different. You can see there this place you can see a small piece like here, and over this area also. So just pull this place like this, and over here like this. After that we can see and just like this one holding piece over here. Just pull it like this, and we can take the toner outside. After that you can place a new toner, and just same as it you remove, just fix it like this and press. That while you pressing time, just one side it will be going like this, and one side it will be same as you see now. Just pull it outside, and while you insert, properly insert. I am holding the camera, that's why I couldn't do it properly. Let me insert the toner inside. This is how to replace the toner for this model. It's already I gave print, and nothing is coming. So thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe and support. We'll see you on the next video. Bye bye, see you.